My name is Nancy Haberstich. My company is Nanobugs.inc. I'm a nurse on a mission to prevent infections. In the afternoon of my career as an infection preventionist and health educator, I focused my attention on teaching people practical microbiology and infection prevention. We all need to better understand the microorganisms with which we share this planet. Some of them are pretty dangerous and scary, like Ebola and MRSA and flesh-eating streptococci, while others help us out, like the probiotics. A clean environment is a key element to a healthy lifestyle. We all know that. People in North America spend almost 90% of their lives indoors, in buildings, sharing those spaces with classmates, co-workers, family members, even total strangers. And some of them might be healthy, while others might be incubating a serious contagious disease. So our environment is important. You see, I have this dream. I have several dreams, but I have a dream that sometime soon, young people, bright young people, smart young people, will deliberately choose to be a cleaning professional. And they'll see that all the application of all of the math and science and technology that they learned in school, and that the cleaning profession will be recognized, and they'll be recognized for their service to humanity, much like nurses and teachers and lawyers. And they'll be paid for what they know, not just what they do. I want a professional cleaning the public spaces and places that I occupy, or that hospital room I might need to be admitted to. Well, the knowledge base for the cleaning profession includes things like physics, chemistry, microbiology, waste management, behavioral science. Those are pretty tough subjects to assimilate. So I wanted to make it a little easier on that science part, that education part, and so I created the nanobugs. They are personified, actually there's more than 50 of them, personified microbes that can engage, entertain, and educate people of all ages. I want the nanobugs to be to microbiology what Jurassic Park was to paleontology, or what CSI was to forensic science. I'm convinced that science plus technology plus a little entrepreneurial spirit can help us create cleaning professionals that can serve our society and fill a real need. So my innovative idea is to put the nanobugs to work, to entertain, educate, and engage cleaning professionals. Consider the alternatives. Do you want your intimate environments cleaned by a professional? Or can you be comfortable with somebody stuck in a cleaning job while they wait to be discovered as a rock star? Think about it. Nanobugs, the next big microscopic